Hi, this is Dave from Decrypt My Leads, and if you're here for the free code snippet, I'm just going to show you, go ahead and hit the link for that, request your free snippet. Once you're on the page, come on down to where the form is, put in your first name, last name, email, phone, or website. We're going to send your finished code snippet. It's custom. We'll send it to your email, so make sure the email is good for receiving it. Your phone number needs to be a phone number that can receive the text messages from us as we text you the leads. Okay. And so the website, just put it in there so we know what we're doing it for. Doesn't matter what you do, doesn't matter whether you're local or nationwide, you can benefit from a lot of leads. We have expansion programs, we have pay per lead, we have referral websites, we even have super affiliate websites that you can rent for next to nothing that are used to help backlink you as well as drive more traffic to you. And we can put these snippets on those websites as well. So we can accommodate you however big you are, however big you want to become. But first, let's start with the obvious. Let's help you by getting you 100 leads. If it works for you, you're going to be able to make quick use of those leads. And if you don't know how, come up here and watch the training videos under training. And you're going to be able to make quick use of those leads. And if you do that, then you're going to raise the money naturally. Aside from your own stuff, whatever it is you do now to make money, you're going to make enough extra money from our leads to pave your way forward without having to pull anything out of pocket. So if it's working for you, it's going to self-propel. You're going to wind up paying nothing and doing dramatically better. And if it's not working for you, no harm, no foul, just wasn't a match. So you can let it go. There's literally nothing you need from us. If for any reason the leads are not working out for you along the way and you just want it to stop, all you have to do is reply stop on your phone. They'll stop. Okay? Piece of cake. So go ahead, give it a shot. Nothing to lose, everything to gain. Okay.